1 and 2. One double crochet, four double crochet here, got to go now. Crochet Creation 19. See you on your next live stream. Bye all, have a great weekend. Thank you so much, Judy. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, Joss Gunter Creative, welcome to the live stream, Joss. I'm new at crochet, but I'm not really good at doing it at. Oh, you will be. Okay, welcome to my live stream first. Thank you so much for joining, Joss. And one day you will make everything. Okay, you will crochet everything. Don't worry, practice. No, I have to go for next, and I have to make a double crochet, 1 and then 2. Now let's make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. Okay, and we have to make a slip stitch into the third chain of the first double crochet. Here we are gonna make a slip stitch and chaining 1, and fast enough now. Okay, thank you. Oh, you're most welcome, friend. Everyone, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, I'm gonna hide this yarn here and there. Wow. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But I need to make 8 more granny squares. But not now today. Oh, 9, 9. I have another 1, 2, 9. Okay. So for today, I think this much for today. And I'm gonna leave now, guys. Okay. Everybody, thank you so much for joining my live stream. Thank you, guys. Okay. Maybe tomorrow I will finish this, and I'm gonna make a pillow cover. Pillow cover. Okay. Don't get confused. And if you wanna buy sweetheart, thank you, Manuela. Thank you so much. And if you guys want to join my more live stream, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. Okay. Yesterday I didn't sleep. Yesterday I didn't sleep first. Okay, fast, and today I'm feeling so sleepy. And I think I should sleep in. And from morning I need to start. Okay, bye. I will update you on my octopus. Yes, okay, thank you. Super Oxida, thank you so much. QT. Okay, QT. I will be waiting for your octopus, okay? And everybody, thank you so much once again. Thank you very much for joining my live stream. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Okay, bye. You're the best. Thank